Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a warp zoom effect easily in After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new adjustment layer. Move 40 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down 4 times, then cut the layer at that point. Now move the adjustment layer above the clip you want to apply the warp zoom effect to. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the adjustment layer, then apply 3 effects. The first is motion tile, the second is optics compensation, and the third is transform. Let's start with the transform effect. Change the scale value to 25 and click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. Next, move to the end of the adjustment layer and set the scale back to 100. Now jump back to the beginning of the layer by pressing I on your keyboard. Disable use composition shutter angle and increase the shutter angle to the maximum to add motion blur. Now let's adjust the motion tile effect. Enable mirror edges and set both output width and output height to 400. Next, move on to the optics compensation effect. Click the field of view stopwatch to add a keyframe and set the value to 130. Then scroll to the end of the adjustment layer and change the field of view back to 0. Also enable reverse lens distortion, and now we can quickly preview the effect. It looks fine, but let's smooth out the overall effect by adjusting the keyframes in the graph editor. Press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes, then select them and press F9 to ease them. Open the graph editor, right-click, choose Edit Speed Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Once you are done, close the graph editor, enable motion blur on the adjustment layer, and preview the effect once more. This looks much better now. For a smoother transition and stronger effect, I'll add a shake effect. I'll use one from the AM Film Shakes pack. To get the pack, check the video description. You can also check out my shake tutorials on the channel. Let's preview the video with the shake applied, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.